Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 1st to August the 3rd reading. No? Bilis ng panahon, August na agad. So Gemini, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? So gems, I would like you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. If you still care for your exes, no, hindi ko na po dito i-post ang X-Files. Yun po yung segment dito sa channel for exes. Ihihiwalay ko po siya, doon ko po siya i-post sa Facebook. No? That's Babaylan TV. So magsimula na tayo. Gemini, ang nakikita ko dito, parang merong mga tao, no, na bumubulong-bulong sa'yo na, sige na, sagutin mo na, no, or sige na, parang merong mga reto-reto, yung ganyan. Merong mga, sabihin na, mga hindi natin matatawag kung angel ba o demonyo ba, no? Na parang, o sige na lang, diin mo na. Or kung sa lalaki naman, sige na, ligawan mo na yan. The 10 of Cups in reverse. The 4 of Cups in reverse. And the 3 of Pentacles. So parang yung isa naman sa inyo, let's say si person A, I'm not closing the door. You know what I'm person A. I'm not closing the door, but I am also not in to commitment right now, no? So mas pinapairal ko muna yung isip kesa sa puso, no? Mas pinapairal ko muna yung practicality rather than my emotions. So my rational thinking is more activated rather than my, emotion. There's also something in here that probably I am not easy to get. Uy, no? Yung meron tayong parang binibuild na image, character, no? If you want me, paghirapan mo, di ba? Kahit sabihin natin gusto kita, kahit sabihin natin I also have feelings for you, pero hindi mo ako agad matitikman. Hindi mo matitikman talaga agad. Hindi mo talaga ako agad makukuha. No? So parang meron ditong game of habulin mo ko. Diba? Hindi ko sinasabing nagpapabebe, no? Kasi if that is actually the person's attitude, or kaya nga tinatawag na unique ang person. So kudos, no? Hindi naman sa pag-iinarte yun. With the Knight of Swords and the Magician, or ito yata ang makakapagpabago sa inyo. Alam mo, Gemini, ito din kasi ang mahirap sa Gemini. Minsan yung oo nila, hindi. Yung hindi, oo. Gemini is a person with not just two, but they can play along with those personalities na para kasi may mga mood swings to. Minsan, alam mo, they can play along. Actually, sasabihin ko ba, dito kasi sila magaling. They can play along with someone else's mind. They are one of those very intelligent, no, zodiac. Kasama yata ito sa top 4 or top 5. So, gagawa ako ng video yung ganun sa TikTok. Anyway, so, because of their balance of emotions and intellect, they can be a good player, no, when it comes to relationship, no? Geminis can also be a red flag. Aminin nyo yan. But they can also be a good, a green flag. No? So, it depends kung sino din yung taong kaharap nila. No? So, kapag nakuha mo yung green flags nila or yung good side nila, much better. Pero, kapag nabwisit sa'yo ang Gemini at ayaw ka talaga nila, magtago na tayo. No? So, with the 10 of Wands and the Wise One, so I think that you, Gems, had a traumatic experience from the past. no? That's actually the reason why you are the way that you are right now, no? Sasabihin natin, ang tanga ko naman kung hindi ako matututo nung nasaktan ako nung past relationship, no? Um, it becomes a burden to me with the Queen of Pentacles and the Five of Wands. I also know how to play, kumbaga, yung past relationships mo becomes a training ground for you, to win this battle of these people, no, can be manipulative. Depende din yan pag gusto nilang gamitin. I think that they have this innate, no, um, this innate, even though innate gift that I can say, even though that they don't want to do it, it comes naturally. With the Eight of Swords, in a good way, ha? Pero they can use it in a bad way naman din. With the Eight of Swords, the Six of Swords, and the Chariot. Gems. Totoo ba? We're really closed off dahil sa trauma from the past. We would love to really let go of those burdens, baggages. We would love to. Pero it makes me feel because of what happened. Um, Parang naging, ay, hindi ko naman nasabing naging bitter. Pero you become wiser. Pero yung walls natin parang sobrang taas. Um, Lately, hindi mo napapansin na parang napapagod yung mga taong nakapaligid sa, especially for those who wants to enter your life. Because of, hindi ko sinasabing babaan nyo yung standards nyo. Again, if that works for you, that works for you. Kaso parang ang makakapasok sa buhay nyo is yung talagang porsigido at dadaan talaga sa butas ng karayom. Hindi talaga basta-basta. Gemsa, sobrang, ang taas ng standard, which I believe hindi naman kayo left behind. There's still someone. Pero with the Page of Cups in here, and the Four of Wands, clarifying the Lovers and the Five of Pentacles. For a little percentage of you, so that's the reason, kaya may walls, is because there's still someone who holds your heart. Tama nga ba? So gems, yung iba naman, this is just my standards, and there are moments na sa sobrang napapagod yung tao, bumibitaw na lang kasi they cannot enter. But it doesn't matter na there's no one kasi the last card is the Four of Wands. That actually represents yung sinasabi nating firm foundation, no? This also represents cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. So it's actually a good thing. But then again, paano ko ba ito i-express? Merong isang tao, no, na wanted to enter your life, pero medyo nabibigyan natin ng challenges, no? But that's okay. Again, if that works for you, that works for you, no? At least, no, hindi ka na uli maloloko, no? Let's check here the person's emotion. This could be your emotion. Don't pressure me and my beloved. So I think, James, ang taray naman dito, ha? And this is you. Don't pressure me, no? I think that this is you wanting, parang, yun nga yung sabi ko kanina, kung gusto mo ko, then work for it, no? The don't pressure me can also be a mirrored energy from your person na sinasabi niya na, handali, ang taas ng standard. Huwag mo ko i-pressure na gawin yon kasi probably I've never been, or I never did that before. With my beloved in here, I feel like meron talaga din taong nagmamakaawa na, sige na, papasukin mo na ako please, Gems. Hindi na ako uulit uli, o hindi ko naman gagawin kung ano yung ginawa nung past. So, ayan. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Taurus, baka po Gemini. I am seeing Sagittarius, Cancer, Leo, Pisces, Virgo, uh, Did I just say Taurus? Yeah. Uh, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, no? So this is your reading, gems. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, don't comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. Gems, yung energy nyo, nakaka-intimidate. Oo nga, sa totoo lang. Nasa na tayo? Ayan, nawala ako. Comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video, no? So, kung hindi nyo maabutan itong live session sa kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, no? Gems, kung feeling nyo talaga na hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun po yung aking link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. No? Sa website, sa pinakababa po, hover lang kayo. No? Browse nyo hanggang pinakababa, nandun po yung question form. Sa pinakababa pa, nandun po yung information, how much per question, the name, the number that you can for your reference. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun po siya, no, sa description box. So, Gemini, tuloy pa rin ang manhunt dun sa ating mga fake accounts. So, if you want to win a free personal reading, report those fake accounts na nandoon po sa description box, and then screenshot once you already reported it. Send it to the designated email para dun po ako pipilin ng winner. No? If you still care for your exes, hindi ko po yun dito i-post sa Facebook po, Babaylan TV. So, thank you so much. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, gems.